Good morning to all traders and welcome to this Thursday's market insights video on FX miners. It is the 18th of June today, and we're going to look at the pairs that they are actually have a very good weight on their fundamentals today, which is the SMB interest rate decision along with Norges and BOE. So we're going to look at the CHF against the yen, dollar against Norwegian krona, pound against New Zealand. And also, we're going to have a quick look at the Canadian dollar against the yen. Now, as we all know, it is indeed a critical day on the interest rate side of things today. But what we really need to pay attention to is the Fed testimony and what is really happening with coronavirus. Now, coronavirus cases are increasing in the US. This is the second record day now, 20-something thousand cases consistently now for a second day in the row. And this is spelling more downside risks for the US economy and also global economy. Now, the Fed testimony yesterday ended, and Fed chair really urged the Congress to not pull away the fiscal support that they provide so far, because the situation is going to get worse if, of course, unemployment numbers as well that they are due today show an indication that there is no way that people are going back to work. But the situation it's escalating a little bit because now we have Bernanke and also Yellen back into the game. They are actually teamed up with another 130 economists signing a letter saying that if Congress takes this insufficiently bold action to pull away fiscal support, then this is going to lead to prolonged suffering and stunts economic growth. Now, GBP against the Kiwi. We are looking up here. We ended a triple zigzag. This is a W, X, and a Y in the primary degree, right? So wave X was a triple zigzag, ended up here. And now I see this as a multi-structural degree move to the downside, impulsive, leading, second, third is not done. We're going to get fourth and fifth. That's going to be, well, to new lows, obviously. We had 1, 2 again. Then wave 3 ended. I think we are on to wave 4 now. Most likely it's going to be a triangle or some sort of consolidation, sideways consolidation. Then we're going to get 5 near the 1.90, which is the 0.78 Fibonacci retracement of the move to the upside of this is the triple zigzag, right? Now, at the same time, if we put the Fibonacci extension over here between waves 1 and 2, this is also the 100 Fibonacci extension, right? So we want wave 5 to take out the 190, 162 at least. Then we're going to see wave 4, and then we're going to see wave 5. Now, the upside, we could have a bounce up here, potentially to 197 or so, but that would be only in the short / medium term, and then move all the way to the downside for wave 3. Let's just grab the CHFJPY. We've got ABCs, 5 ABCs, right? Now, with that said, we've had a WXOK and WXYs as well because it's complex. Wave 4, and I'm expecting wave 5 to end higher, right? Now, for wave 5, if we assume we've done the WXY, which is W wave, then we are actually now moving down, right? Now, this move looks corrective. So most likely, we're going to get prices moving a little bit lower to the 50 Fibonacci retracement of this move, around 111.60. Okay, because at the moment, we did the 38.2. So ideally, we want to do the 50 Fibonacci, maybe even lower. And then from there, start looking up to take out wave Y, okay? And we want that wave to also interact with this ascending trend line. So that will be wave 3. Then we're going to get a wave 4 and then a wave 5. Well, since we're here, let's just have a look at the CAD against the yen. Okay, that's a very nice move over here as well. We're looking at this ending triangle to end down here. Well, we missed this trend line, but well, the situation now changes since we moved all the way up here. I think this was a reversal level, which means we've had 1, a triangle 2, the wave 3, 4, and we're going to get a wave 5, and then this is going to lead to further upside, but we really need to see another move to the downside first. It looks like we could really take the 0.618 Fibonacci extension of this move to the upside, okay? And then, since we've actually done the 1.5 Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2 up here on wave 3, most likely we're going to see prices moving up to the 227. We can actually end anywhere between the 178 and 227, right? But ideally, and because, well, this trend line is going to intersect with prices around the 85, 86 level, most likely we're looking that to be the 227, okay? Now, if we break below the 77, 67, then we actually might be looking at this becoming an ABC or WXY, and then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is going to end this move to the downside over here. And that would suggest, of course, this is wave A, this is B, and this is C instead of this ABC, okay? And last, dollar against the Norwegian krona. Well, we talked about this one for, like, it's been a while, to be honest. So we're looking at this ending, what was it? Let's have a quick look. Okay, that was wave 3. So we're still looking for prices to move up in the longer term, right? But we're expecting this correction for a while now. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks to me. And we want to get another wave 5. Now, if we take the Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2, we get to the 8.59, okay, for wave 5. At the same time, if we take the Fibonacci retracement over here, we've done the 38.2. We might want to do the 9.99 or 10, let's just say, which is a very good psychological level for wave 4. So we might see prices rising again. That would mean we'll have a better correction over here, a zigzag, and then prices moving lower, well, anywhere below the 9.18, but potentially to the 8.79 as it is the 100 Fibonacci extension of the big AB wave, okay? At the same time, this is very near the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of wave 5. So anywhere between 8.59 and 9.18, I am expecting this zone to be a support. And from there, once we start moving up, we are heading to fresh lows above 12.11, fresh highs, sorry. So this will be all for the day. I will pay attention to the interest rate decisions today, and mainly for the BOE. I'm afraid I won't be available tomorrow, so I will see you again on Monday.